Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, Xiaomi Mi portable photo printer, and now I'm gonna show you how to use retro filters on this device. So first, of course, we need to open the Mi Home application. In this app, we need to find our printer. Of course, you need to be connected with this printer using Wi-Fi, so open settings, and using Wi-Fi, using Bluetooth, so we open settings, find Bluetooth, and connect to this device. Then you need to find print photos button and click on it. Choose the photo you want to print. In my case, it will be this photo. And then click edit. And here you can see the filters button. And here you have several filters that are mirroring old retro effects. Okay, so just find your favorite filter, or just find the filter will be better for your photo. For example, I'm gonna use this photo because I wanna translate the warm atmosphere of this image, and click OK. Then just click print and wait a while. Wow, great, it's so beautiful. So, cool, that's it. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.